So today I'm going to discuss a few things about egg yolks. Egg yolks are typically kind of the innocent bystander in the war to decide what's good for us. Egg yolks actually have the majority of all of the vitamins. There's so many I can't even think about them on the top of my head. They have iron, potassium, folate, selenium, vitamin A, E, B, D, biotin, and choline. So if you're not eating them on occasion, you're missing out on quite a bit of nutrients there. Egg whites have the majority of protein. Typical egg, depending on what size you get, is 60 to 80 calories. So that's a pretty good calorie amount considering how they will satiate you and keep you full longer. They're perfect for breakfast. A lot of people don't think to eat an egg as a snack in the afternoon, but I like to put them on a wheat English muffin with an egg, and then sometimes I'll put a little tomato in there and cheese. It makes for a great snack. At nighttime, sometimes I will put them in our wheat rice or any kind of noodles that we have. I'll mix in some vegetables in there. So don't forget about eggs. They tend to be overlooked. If you're going to eat an egg white, you might want to consider actually eating the whole egg to get the maximum effective nutrients. Okay, that's today's quick tip.